up, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. It's your host, the Unboxing Chief. We have a special guest today, Miss Talia Luna.
Hi.
We just wanted to go ahead and drop another video for you guys. We're going to be doing an unboxing video and review on a shoe cleaner, also known as
Crep Cure.
Crep Cure. So Crep Cure is actually a real big shoe cleaner. So that's the reason why I'm doing the video. Obviously, that's the reason why I'm doing a review on it. But you can actually find this on Foot Locker. I believe you can find it at Champs. I know you can find it on Amazon. I would definitely drop the link in the description below. That way you guys can check that out. And if it's something that you decide that you want to get, we can go ahead and get that for you. So today we're going to be opening it up, showing you what's inside, putting it actually to the test. We have some nice filthy shoes here. These are some Air Max Zeros, all whites. Okay, these things are really, really filthy. I haven't had time to clean them. I haven't actually been wanting to wear them because they're that dirty. So normally I would show you how to clean these with shoelaces if I had them, but I don't wear these ones with shoelaces, so that'd be some for another pair of shoes that I usually wear shoelaces with. So today there won't be no any shoelaces, but that's okay. But we're gonna go to put all this to the test, like I said. We're going to come right back. That way you guys can check it out. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and we'll see you right now. Alright, so we're back. We got our warm water here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get this package open. Right, Toss?
Mm-hmm.
I want to cut the nice little bag that it comes in. It's actually a really nice little bag. You want to get that open? Can you show them that? Take that off there. Just get some descriptions in here. Let's see. You want to open it? So this is actually a really nice little box. I mean, like I said, it's a smaller kit. This thing was only about $20. It looks nice. Oh, so it's basic directions. Pour warm water in a bowl and dip the brush. Apply a small amount of cleaning solution to the brush. Carefully brush your sneakers. Wipe your sneakers using the Microsoft cloth. Leave till dry. That is it. That's an easy 4-step program. Here we are, opening that up. Oh, this is a nice little kit, bro. And that is right. It does come with its own little bowl or a little tray. You can put water in it for on the go. I'm gonna go ahead and use a bigger one today, but that is very cool and convenient. It's got a nice microfiber towel that comes with it. This is nice. The Cure logo. Kind of small, but it's okay. And then here we have the ultimate shoe cleaner. It says Cure, Crep Cure, ultimate shoe cleaner. Cleans leather. Oh, okay. Last one I read said it doesn't do leather. So cleans leather, suede, nubuck, canvas, nylon, vinyl, and many more. So I stand corrected. You can use it on leather. Okay. And then this is the brush. This is nice. I wasn't sure as if when I opened it, the moment I did this, if there was just going to be hair flying out. You know, like, if it was just going to be like this real, you know, excuse my language, just shitty product, you know. I wasn't sure, you know. Oh, there goes one hair. Oh, there goes a couple more. I spoke a little too soon. Well, it's not shitty. I had a couple fly out, nothing crazy. I've had worse, and it's a lot better than those plastic ones. You know, the sprays that we used to get back in the day. I don't even know if they still make those. I think they do. It's a little spray on. It's got the plastic top, like a plastic brush. So this one, they said, I believe, was made from. Was it horsehair? Horsehair? I probably should have got that knowledge, or I should have got that info before I actually just did this. But This is all natural, made from coconut extracts, jojoba, and aqua. It is a microfiber case. It's microfiber cloth, excuse me. So I think I was reading about there's like something like 17,000 of these hairs in this brush. That's quite a bit. All right, here we go. We're gonna get enough talking about this. Let's get started. Actions speak louder than words. That's what I always tell my kids. Just gonna move this over. So I said add it to the brush, and then I'm gonna add a little bit to the. Okay. Do a little dip action. By the way, oh man, it smells really good. Really, really good. Hold that. We're going to get started. So we're just going to start scrubbing here, okay? Start hitting areas. And automatically I can already see the difference. Can you see that? Wow. Look at that. You see that, Kels?
Yeah.
Wow.
This is a really good product. We got that green stain right there. I don't know if that's grass or what it is, but that's the only thing I can say that didn't come off, but I'm okay with it. If we're looking at a distinct difference here, look at this. Yeah. And these aren't new. I've had these for quite a few years now. And these things are looking really well. I didn't think it was going to clean up this well, to be honest. I thought it was going to be like, eh. But this is definitely a very, very, very good shoe cleaner. I do have a stain here, stain on the side. But that is something, like I said, I'm okay with. This is something that I've put in a lot of steps into this. A lot of miles have been on these shoes. I've done quite a bit of activities I probably should have never done in these shoes. But you live and you learn. So for all my shoe buffs, all my shoe heads out there, overall, I give this a 9 out of 10. Obviously the 10 out of 10 would be a perfect. And those stain on is not a perfect. Doesn't mean it's not a good product. It doesn't mean I don't like it. I love it. I have about 30 other pairs of shoes I got to get to cleaning now. But I'm definitely satisfied. This is something I'm definitely going to recommend to people. This is probably going to be my go-to for being it's $20. This is very, very cheap. If I need to travel, it comes with a case. I get to put it to go. Like I showed you earlier, it comes with its own little tray, so I don't have to worry about having to find a little tray where I'm out. All I need is a little bit of water. And these little things is so small. The convenience of it, I guess, being small is that when I'm done, just wash it by hand, hang it up, let it dry. We're ready to go for the next one. Overall, very satisfied, very pleased. I will be dropping the links below. That way you guys can go ahead and get your hands on one if you feel like this is something that you want to use. What about you, Thomas? Anything you say?
Honestly, I think the before and after picture just between these two, it's a big difference. So I think this is a really good product.
Alright, I can't even wait. I just want to clean the other one already. Just can't believe how fast and dirty it was. I don't know what this is. I don't know if
Grass stain maybe.
Yeah, it is a grass stain because it's coming off as I do that. So who knows? Maybe I just might have to scrub it with my nail or something. Might be something else, and maybe this brush is not hard enough to get it off. Maybe the bristles are not coarse enough. But in the meantime, everything else. For being that I'm not scrubbing, I'm not putting like my back into this. This is amazing the way it's cleaning. You know, because I've used like Dawn soap and stuff, and it doesn't do nothing compared to this. It just kind of stains everything, and that's about it. This is actually getting stuff out with minimal effort. Minimal effort. That kind of sums it up, guys. Like I said, give it the 9 out of 10. Here's the second shoe. Got a little bit, a little bit of stain there still. Nothing crazy. Good thing about white kicks is, unless you're some asshole who walks up to people just to point out spots, these are gonna look fairly fucking brand new and fresh from a distance. And I'm definitely satisfied, happy with this. So, thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit that subscribe, tell your friends, tell your mom, tell your friend's mom. Let them know Unboxing Chief is here. You guys have a great one. Enjoy the rest of your days. Later much.